Yeah, good morning, everyone. Welcome to Core Java session. Yesterday, we have started declaration and access modifier. And under access modifier and declaration, we have mentioned this many topics. And maybe by the time we will see all this topic in detail as well. So we started with file structure yesterday. Okay. And as we started file structure, we even started setter and getter. So that Eclipse shortcut command, STA shortcut command, I explained how to get that setter and getter. Okay, and what is the purpose of setter and getter? Apart from that, let's continue our topic Java file structure. What we have seen is Java. We have seen some programs, right? This is one program we have seen. This is one class. This is one. Yesterday we have created one class. Any name. It was already created. So I'm using the same Java class. That's why it is named, because this is the program name. Always program name and class name, right? So this is the program name. Inside this program name, we have what? We have one class, equality example. Then we have one more class, customer. Then we have one more class, student. This we have seen yesterday. So what we have observed, we are creating the class in this way. We have this one class program, Java program. Inside this file, we have n number of classes. We can have 100 classes also. Okay. But thing is that we cannot use public class. We cannot use public keyword apart from the class which is having same name, right? Which is having same name as a program name. So we cannot use this. This is not the correct way. We will get compile time error. So, but public can be used the class which is having the same name with the program name. So this is a valid case. Hope you are good. Till this we have seen, right? Apart from that, we have seen some min method also. Let me copy this. Okay. This is the class I am using, right? Now try to observe. Now try to observe. This is equality example, right? The program name is what? Now you can see, right? What is the program name? What is the program name? Program name is equality example.java, right? Class name is also the same, right? This is the way. Now I am writing that same code inside this. Already class name is there, this class. Okay. Control X. Yeah. Control Shift F. We have seen main method also, right? Right. Let me write one main method. This is one main method, right? This is also one main method. Inside this, we can write one sysout statement also, right? Let me run. Then we have this sysout statement inside every class system dot out dot println. Okay, I am giving semicolon here. And what is this class name? Let's say equality. Equality class ran. Okay. Same thing we can write like this. We have seen this yesterday also. Now I am keeping one class here. What is the name? Customer class. Customer class. Then here student class. Now guys observe how to format. Select all. Control Shift F. So whenever we are running through Java C command or Java command, right? There is one more thing, guys. We can run the code using Java command also. I will show you that also. Now try to observe. But we are always using Eclipse now. That's why I am recommending to use Eclipse only. Okay. So whenever we are compiling, what is our basic steps, guys? What is our basic step? Try to observe. You know, right? First is what? our Java code is there. Any Java file is there. Let's say test.java. What we are doing in background? We are compiling now. We are compiling. Then what is happened? Equivalent dot class is created. Equivalent dot class is created. Equivalent dot class is created. Then only we can able to run the program now. If dot class is not created, how we will run the program? How we will run the program? This is the concept, right? This is the concept. This is the concept, right? Okay. Now try to observe. Now copy this. Okay. I am running this program. So dot class file should be created, na? Let me run this program. Java. So see, it is asking. And if you are doing with Notepad, na, if you are doing with Notepad, if you are doing Notepad also, so what is the command, guys? What is the command to do first? Whenever you are writing Java code, let's say I am writing my code like this. This is my code. Now, this is my code, right? This is my code. This is my code. So whenever we are writing the code like this, and we are doing through terminal also. So what we have to do first? What is the class name? That class name should be, we have to compile using the command java c. Then whatever the class name. What is the class name? Equality example. Okay. Dot Java. So what will happen? What will happen? Equivalent dot class will be created, na? Equivalent dot class will be created, right? Its equivalent dot class will be created. Now try to observe. What will happen? Its equivalent dot class will be created. Its equivalent dot class will be created. Equality example dot class will be created, right? Whenever we are running what? Whenever we are using this command java c. Okay. After this, to run this class, once dot class file is created, what is our next step? We have to use the command what? What is the command? Java class name. Then Java class name. What is the class name? Equality.java. Equality example.java. Equality example.java. So what will happen? What will happen? Then we will get the output, right? This is the expectation. Normal way, right? Normal way. Then we will get what? We will receive the output, right? After this, whatever the program will run, what it will give, it will output. This is whenever you are using terminal. So this is the step. But what happened? We are using Eclipse ID or STS ID, right? But it is at the same time, it is asking which class you want to run. For example, if you are doing through terminal, you have to use this command now. Particularly, you are manually giving Java class name, right? So here, what we are selecting, instead of that, what we are selecting here, we are selecting the class name. So that particular class name is running now. Equality class run. If I want to run this again, it will ask which one customer you want. Select customer. So what will happen? Customer class run, right? If you are running Java class application, if you are selecting student, so it will run now. So Eclipse is asking you, STS ID is asking you which class to run. But if you are running terminal, so what you have to do? Every time you have to change this class name, right? Manually when you are running through CMD. But we are not much using this approach. We are using IDs, right? Now, important thing is that, guys, try to observe. What is your class name? Equality.example.java. What is your program name? What is your program name? Your program name and your class name and Java program name is same. What happen? I will delete this. What will happen if I will delete this? Try to observe. Can I remove this? Can I remove this class name? Can I remove this class name? Yes, it is perfectly fine now. Perfectly fine, right? Now try to observe. What is our class name? What is our program name? Equality example.java. Do this class name is there anywhere in these two places? No, right? No, this class is not there, right? But still, I can run this program. No, right? What is happening, guys? To run this program, always we can compile a Java program. Okay, we can compile a Java program, but not Java class. So in that program, for every class, one dot class file is created now. So we can run a Java class, but not a Java source file. When we are trying to run, so we are not getting that main method now for execution. Hope you are getting, guys. Hope you are getting. Hope you are getting. What is my file name, guys? File name is equality example.java. But are we getting the example run as Java application? ID is not giving you the option to run as Java application because it is looking for that program name and class name. If class name and program name match, what will happen? We can able to run this program. But do compiler know? Compiler is perfectly compiling now, no error it is giving. But when I'm trying to run, there is no option to run, right? But when I am doing, I am keeping that class name. Okay, so we can get this option, right? Java application. So file name and class name is matching, right? So what will happen? Here we are not getting any option, but if we are running this program, okay, we are running this program, okay. So what will happen? I will show you. Uh, Tomorrow I will show you in how to run this program using this Java C and Java command. Then you can able to visualize that. You can able to more visualize what is the difference between node when we are using ID and when we are using this. Or better, let me tell you now itself. I have this operating system. No need to worry. Whatever I'm showing, just observe, guys. Observe. Okay. I want to show you something. Now try to observe. No need to worry. What is this? Ignore this. Whatever I am doing, ignore this. Okay. Just wait. No need to worry. I am showing something. I already have Java installed in my virtual machine. Think this is my virtual machine. Okay. What is this? Just think. I want to show that concept to you guys. Okay. Now try to observe by running this command. Okay. Now, now try to observe. Guys, are you able to see there is one Java class is there? Okay. One Java class is there in my server. Okay. I am delete, I am creating one class here also. Try to observe how I can create one class. Now try to understand. No need to worry what is going on now. No need to worry. This is not your job. Try to understand. I am running Java C command and Java command to help you understand what I'm trying to do. Okay. Now I am creating one test dot Java class. I am creating one. Sorry. I am creating one. Oh, sorry. This is none of your business. No need to worry what is going on. Okay. Now I am copying one command here. Okay. Now try to observe. What is my class name? Test. Let me give one test name. Test. I am giving here test. Okay. Now I will paste here. Enter Control D. Okay. Now try to observe. Now try to observe. Is Java class is there or not? Is Java class is there or not? And is respective dot class file is there or not? Try to observe. Guys, how many classes there? Test.java class is there. What is inside that test.java? Can we see? Cat test.java. Code is there, right? Can I run this code? Let me try to run this code. Now try to observe. Again, I am doing clear screen. Try to observe. I am telling you Java C command and Java command. Now try to observe. There is test.java. According to my diagram, test.java should convert into test.class file now, or any Java class should convert it into dot class now. Then only it will give output. What is the command? Can I run this without dot class? Can I try to run this Java test test.java? It is giving output, right? Because whenever I am running, it is giving one. But now can I run ls command? There is no dot class, but it is taken care. It is taken care. But when I will do the command Java C test.java. Now see. What is happened? Now see ls. Test.class file is created na, here itself. Now Java test.java. So this class is perfectly running, right? Test class run.java. Its equivalent dot class is created. So we require dot class file. It is stored the dot class file. That's why it is running. So same way, whenever we are running some program, so the file name, this class name should be there. If I will try to run one program, the class, this Java file is not existing. Can I try to run one file name which is not having there? Let me run this. Any Java C abc.java abc.java. Is abc Java is existing? No, right? Error, file not found na, file not found. Can I run another command? Java abc.java, right? File not found, or load main class abc or load main class abc.java na. This is giving, right? So what is the purpose? What is the purpose? Whenever we are running some class, so class name should match with this file name, program name. They should both match, right? Now the next is import statement, guys. Now our next step is import statement. Now try to understand what is meant by import statement. I will show you one program, then we will see what is the purpose of this import statement. I will delete other class now. Just think, guys. There are predefined class. We know, right? There is predefined class, right? Similarly, previously I showed you one array list. Array list, the variable name is, let's say, array list equal to new array list. This is my program, okay? Now try to observe. What is the error here, guys? What is the error you are getting? It is asking import array list.java, array list.java, array list.java. Can I use this same program there? Let me create one class here. Clear? Okay. Now try to observe. Now try to observe. I will create one program, equality example same. Cat. One file I am creating with this name. Okay. What is the extension? .java. Okay. Enter. I will keep the same command inside that. I will keep this same command in this Java file here. Okay. Now I will paste here. Okay. Enter Control D. Okay. Now clear. Now try again. I am doing to test the file is there or not. Yes. Equality example.java class file is created now. Now try to observe. What I am trying to do, I will check whether my code is there inside this file or not. This is the command to check the file content. So yes, code is there, right? Code is there. Array list is there now. Java C, Java C. What is the error you are getting, guys? Try to observe. Java C equality example.java cannot find symbol array list equal to new array list. Try to understand because Eclipse IDE is not giving such error. That's why I'm trying to show you this. What is the importance of this import packages? What is the output you will get whenever you are compiling? Compiler don't know what is this array list array list array list equal to new array list. It don't know. It doesn't know what is this. What does this mean? That is why it is asking, is it a class? Because what I am doing, guys, new array list. So it is predicting. It is predicting. Objects are created for whom? What objects are created for class? In this line, what I am trying to do, array list equal to new array list. Compiler don't know whether it is a class or not, but it is predicting whether it is a array list or not. Means it is a class or not because I am using new keyword. That's why it is predicting. It is predicting class array list. Right now. Now try to observe. Now try to observe. Now try to observe. Okay. I am removing this line. I am removing this line. I am using same name, same class. Try to observe, guys. Try to understand difference, then you will able to understand what I am trying to say you. Okay. I am creating one more class. This time I am giving its name 1. And I am removing this line and I am keeping like this. Can I create one class similar to this example 1 in this program? Yes. How I can create? I am creating one Java file. Java file. I am creating one Java file. Now try to observe .java, not .java. File will be created and it will ask to add some information inside the file. I am copying my program. I am copying my program. I paste here. Program is written here. Okay. Now Control D. Enter and Control D. Now try to observe. Guys, there are 2 Java class. Now try to observe. There are 2 Java class. Clear the screen. ls. This is our first program, guys. This is our first program. What this first program contains? Try to observe. Array list equal to new array list. In this program, example, equality example 1.java, what we are having? Only array list. Try to observe the difference. Java C equality example .java. This is the result we are getting. 1 minute, guys. Now try to observe. Now try to observe. So this is asking na, this see the try to understand the error. Try to understand the error. This is example 1. This is first example or Java. This is another example. Here we are using array list equal to new array list. Okay, what it is asking? What it is asking? It is asking to that class array list is not found, cannot find this symbol, right? So this is not also providing error is there, right? There are 2 errors, right? First error where in this line, right? And next error is what? In this line, right? So what it is asking? It is asking that I don't know. I don't know. I want this class to be defined because it is not defined now. Either you define predefined class or you take from user defined, right? So that's the reason import statement is very, very important. Why? Because see, it is asking the address where this class is existing. Because tomorrow going forward, you are going to use different functionality, which you even not aware of those classes. By the time with the knowledge, with the experience you will gain. It is array list, you know, collections. Going forward, you know collection, you know string, whatever through core Java, whatever the predefined classes are there, that will come into your mind. But what happen if some more classes are there, you are not aware of that. That time you need to define import statement. This is very basic topic, but you should import. Where this lies, ID will give you suggest java.util.package. Now error gone, right? Now error gone. Try to observe. Now try to observe. What it is, what does the import statement? Import statement is the address of this class. Import statement is the address of this class. Means inside Java, there is a package. Inside the Java, there is a package, right? What is mean by package? Always we have to use proper package name for our business purpose. Then you will able to understand. I will come to that point how to write this proper packages name. What does this mean by package name? What is this my import? Now I am focusing on import. Try to understand. Import is nothing but the address. Now going forward, we will write proper package name and class name so that we will understand what is the benefit of that. Readability is the one of the benefit. For example, I imported this array list class. It is predefined. Can I go inside this? Control click. Control click is the command. First save it. Now see array list is created now. Array list is we have gone inside array list. Now go in the top of that. What is the package, guys? Java.util means this is the package name java.util. Java.util is a package name. What is the package name? Like this. Try to observe. New package, new package, java.util. Java.util. Let me create one package name like this. Now this is java.util package na. Inside that, what is happened? One class is named, one class is there. What is the class name? What is the class name? Array list is the class name. The class name exists like this, right? Class name is class we have created now. In what happened? We are going to this package where what is doing, what we are doing with this, we are going to this package. We are going to this package and then we are checking whether this class name is there or not. So that is why that that is why this is kind of address. For example, you want to send a letter. You want to send a letter. So what is the things you require? There may be same places in India. For example, there may be two same places, same state, sorry, same places, right, in your local. If you go in your district, what is the address hierarchy, guys? First, what is the hierarchy? First, what is the hierarchy if you want to go somewhere? What is the hierarchy? You should mention country name, right? You should mention country name. For example, you want to deliver some letter. So what is first what you are giving? Some location, local location, like local location. Then some street name, right? Then some landmark you are giving. Okay. Then what you are giving? District name, right? District name you are giving. Then state name you are giving. State name you are giving. Then what is you are giving? State name. After then, are you giving country name? 99% we are not giving. But if you are giving international letter, then we have to give country name also, na? Country code also, right? Then only we are able to see. So what is the hierarchy? Country name, dot, state name, dot. What is next level? District name, district name, right? After that, what is the next thing? District. Then we are going inside that district, being going to that particular landmark or street name, then street name, then that particular location, and also we are having one pin code also, na? We are having also pin code, right? So better we can add some inside district, we can add some pin code also, right? Dot pin code. pin code. Inside that district, there are several places with pin code will change. So this will be the address. If you want to go to particular location, so this is what you are going, right? Here, pin code 1, pin code will change, pin code will change, pin code will change, pin code 1. There may be some pin code na. Let's say 500-576. Inside same district, there may be another pin code 500-577, right? 500-5000, right? This may be pin code na, and then it's landmark, right? Then you have street name, something, street name, then location na, right? So what is here? At this point, pin code, your address is varying na. But what is the hierarchy you have to follow? Whatever the main. So here, whatever the code we are writing, right? So whatever the code we are writing, already written code, you can see this array list. What is the address of array list? Array list lies inside which package? This is the address. It lies under Java, then util. This is the common. This is the common. Whenever you are going in India, this part is common, na? This part is common. Or at certain level, under this there may be different pin number, right? Different pin number. Based on pin number, you can reach to that particular location, na? The same way, this is address. This is address of your Java class. Inside the Java util package, there may be n number of classes which have some predefined functionality, and we are using some those. So for that, we need to import correct import statement. So this is the advantage of import statement. Hope you are understanding, guys. Hope you are understanding what is the purpose of import statement. Okay. Can I run this program now? This is imported, that's why it is run. Otherwise, if I will remove this, I will comment this, then error will come, na? It won't found the address. So we have to give proper address. Now, coming to this import statement, how many, and apart from this, always package name should be on top. Then there may be n number of import statement. Today we are importing one predefined class. User defined class will be there. 100 class, 100 defined class we are using. There may be n number of import statement na. Now 1, tomorrow 2, 5. Development is increasing 10. So always remember, this is the place where you can easily understand by seeing the package name which class we are using and what is the proper functionality. Okay, now try to observe, guys. Try to observe. So what is the import statement? You know, it is simple. It is called fully qualified name. It is called fully qualified name. Okay. It is called fully qualified name. Java duty dot array list means package name with class name. Package name with class name. What is called? It is called fully qualified name. This part is package, and this is class name. So this complete definition is called nothing but fully qualified name. Okay, fully qualified name. Okay, we can use now. Next is how many types of import statement? Types of import statement, right? This is small concept, guys, but very much important. You will find nothing is there, but if you collect your previous knowledge and you today's knowledge till now, you will find every topic is important, because tomorrow, if you are missing import statement, na, then your code won't run. Today's simple program, one line program. Tomorrow there will be, instead of your code will be have 2000 line of code, and there may be 100 import statement. And you are what you are importing, if you are importing wrongly, then 100% you will be doing circus there. Okay, so always import statement are very, very important. By seeing the import statement, you can find out which functionality I'm using. By seeing, I can easily understand, okay, this is java.util.arraylist, java.util.arraylist. Fine. Means whatever the array list we are using, this is belonging to this package. So I am correct. I am using the correct array list. That is what we can understand. So there are two type of import statement. One is what explicit. One is what explicit, and the second one is implicit. It is English meaning no big science. But try to understand what does this mean. Now try to understand what is explicit and what is implicit. This is called explicit. This is called explicit. Means we are explaining, hey, import statement, this is my address. So go to that particular. Explicitly, I'm telling, I am using this statement where I am telling, no, go to array list means go to Java, go to util package, and then go to this particular class. Because under this package, there may be not only one class array list, there may be 100 class will be there. Okay. What is mean by implicit? What is mean by implicit? When I am using the same same import statement, but instead of this, we are using star. This is also valid. There is no challenge. Means, can I remove this and can I use a star? Still, there won't be any problem. Still, there won't be any problem. Code will run properly, no problem. But what is the disadvantage? There is disadvantage. Never go with this approach. Never go with this approach. Right? Because what it will happen, it will import everything from that package, right? So import statement explicit class is only recommended. This way only it recommended. I will show you the difference why it is not implicit, one is not recommended, because it reduce the readability. Now there may be 1,000 line of code. There may be here 1,000 line of code will be there, and see the code is downside somewhere after 1,000 line here, and you are in the top. You are in the top. Can you tell me now what is which array list you are using? No, right? You cannot say. Star means anything inside Java util that will come. If it is a Java util package, there are different classes in Java util package. That special package we are going to understand. There will be Java long that package. So we need to understand different importance of the package. We are in upcoming session, we are going to understand java.lang package, because that is the important, because there are some predefined method. We need to understand what are those methods. So by this you are able to understand where is your array list. No, right? But when instead of this star, when you are using array list, you can understand now, okay, this import statement, somewhere I am using your array list in my program, right? Tomorrow there will be one more java.lang will be there. Let me write that. Can I write this java.lang? I will, one second, one second. There is one. Okay, one second. I will use. See, this is the util class, na? This is util class, right? Now try to observe. There is another class, right? It is having so many methods, na, inside this. So whenever you want to understand any kind of method or class name, what is the command? Control Shift O. What is the command? Sorry, Control Shift H. You can type any class name, predefined name, and you want to see the documentation, you can go type that. See java.lang. Java.lang. Can I go this class? Can I double click? It will open, right? This class is also belonging to what? String is also belonging to java.lang. Na? Array list also belonging to which class? Array list is also belonging to which class? This java.lang. Na? So whenever I'm using this like this string, right? For example, I am using some dot array list, right? It is taking, we are, by seeing this, we understand this is array list. Now here, the string dot lang is available in which package? Java.lang package, right? So we can use, if we are using this statement like this, java.lang.string, java.lang.string, right? There may be n number of import statement now. By seeing this, okay, I am using this string from this package. I am using array list from this package. But where I am using, instead of string, I will use star. I am able to understand what does this mean. If I am using star, I am able to understand. I don't know in under 1,000 line of code what I am using. This is also working fine, but this is never recommended, guys. Okay, so this is one of the important factor. Okay, so implicit and explicit. It is the recommended option. Recommended option. This is not recommended. This is not recommended. Hope you are understanding now. Till now, you are good. Now, I will write one more program. Fine. I've given a lot of space, I think. Yeah. Now try to observe, guys. Now try to observe. There is, instead of this, for example, I am using one date function. Okay. Date, small date equal to new date. I am using this date. What it is asking? What it is asking? Now try to understand. There are two dates. There are two dates now. Which date you want? Which date you want? If I am using java.util.star or java.util. If I am using like this, what will happen, guys? Sorry, java.util.star. Error gone, right? Now, I am using java.util.sql also. Right? Eclipse is giving you the ambiguity. See, it is asking the type date is ambiguous. Ambiguous means, what is mean by ambiguous? Ambiguous means confusion. Tomorrow, if somebody is asking you this program in an interview like this, they'll ask you, they'll ask you, can you please tell me what is, they will ask some sysout statement also. Let's say this is sysout statement. Okay. Proper system dot out dot print ln, and it is fine. There is no, just I'm making you sure there is no error in this sysout statement. Okay. Now they will ask you what will be the output of this code. If you don't know, you can say, right, output is okay, right? You will say the output is okay, but because class is fine, name is fine, main method is fine, this is also fine, this is also fine. But if you know this concept, you don't know this concept, you will say, okay, this is also util, na, fine. This is also SQL, na, fine. But there is an ambiguity. What is the ambiguity? You are able to see, right? If this code you will run, then you will get the error, na. ID is showing you now. ID is showing you now. ID is showing you now. Can I create one class? I will show you here. Let me. Clear. Clear. Can I create one class here? Test date dot java. Test dot date dot java. Okay, let me, what is the class name I'm giving? Test date. Let me give this test date. Test date. Okay, test date. Can I copy this? Can I paste here? Okay. Enter, Control D. Clear this console. I have created one class. What is my class name? Testdate.java. Testdate.java. No problem, no? No problem, right? Can I compile that code? How to compile? How to compile? Testdate.java. Testdate.java. Dot class file should create na. It should, what it is asking? Date equal to new date. Both classes java.sql date in this class and java.util date in java util match, right? Two errors, right? There is an ambiguity. Reference to date is ambiguous, right? Reference to date is ambiguous. Ambiguous means confused. Now compiler itself get confused. Which date you are asking? Are you asking java.util or are you asking java.sql date or java.util date, right? So this kind of ambiguity is there, right? So we have to avoid this problem. Okay. Hope you are understanding, guys. Hope you are understanding. Why am I telling you both side now? Because these packages, all these thing, okay, you have to take care because it is very, very important. Okay, now hope you understand the benefit, right? Now. So, guys, I'm stopping my screen share. Today I will take this much only. I have